Here's the recipe for my crispy chicken and red pepper pesto sandwich. A lot of you ask where I find my inspiration for sandwiches, and to be honest, I just like to experiment with different flavor combos that I think will go well together. Combine roasted red peppers, garlic cloves, toasted pistachios, basil leaves, Parmigiano Reggiano, salt, and olive oil. Blend until smooth, adding more olive oil if necessary. Now for the caramelized onions. Add your sliced onions into a pan with olive oil along with a pinch of salt. Sauté before adding in apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and cook until caramelized and golden brown. Season chicken thighs with salt, pepper, and dried basil. Heat a pan over medium to high heat before placing chicken skin side down. Cook for 5 minutes or until skin is crispy and brown. Flip and continue to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Season rocket with olive oil and salt, and now it's time to put it all together. That pesto, incredible.